In the previous video, we have seen how to log in into the Oracle system and how to create a new user account and also how to assign some of the privileges to the new user. And we have assigned create session privilege and connected the new user to the Oracle system. Today we will do some more tasks. Let us create a new user, say Bob, with the password Bob at 123 and assign some of the privileges. Create and drop tables. Let me try that. I have already logged into the Oracle system. Let me check the user. The user is system. Let us create the new user. Say Bob. Identified by the password Bob at 123 inside the quotation mark. The user is created successfully. Now let us assign some of the privileges. Let us assign create and drop table privileges. For that, the command is grant create table to Bob. Grant succeeded. Let us assign one more grant. One more privilege, grant drop table, drop any table, grant succeeded. Let me check the privileges assigned to the Bob. Should be in uppercase. So these are the privileges right now we have assigned, and let me check the user which is added to the system. We can check with this query. Select username from DBA users. As you can see, Bob is added to the Oracle database. Let us continue. We have assigned create and drop tables. Let us assign one more privilege, create and drop users. Let me try that. The command for that is grant create user to Bob. Grant succeeded. We can assign multiple privileges in a single command itself. Let me try that. Grant create user, comma, drop user. Grant succeeded. Let me check the privileges. As you can see, 4 of the privileges are assigned. Now let me do the third task. Allow to assign above privileges to new user. To do this, Let us understand this. We have the Oracle system admin who has created the user Bob. Now Bob is assigned with 4 of the privileges: create table, drop table, create user, and drop user. Now the meaning of the third question is, he should be able to assign these privileges to the new user. That means he should be the system admin. To assign this, the command is grant DBA. This means database administrator. The grant is succeeded. This means he can create new users, he can drop new users. Let me try that. By creating a new user called Alice. Create user. For that, I need to log in as Bob first. For that, I need to assign one more privilege to the Bob. Grant create session to Bob. Grant succeeded. Now I can connect as Bob. Connect Bob. Password inside the quotation Bob @123. Close the quotation. Connected. Let me check the user. Now I'm Bob. Now Bob is assigned with the admin privilege. He should be able to create new user Alice. Let me try that. The command for that is create user Alice identified by Alice @123. Since there is a special character, we need to enclose inside the quotations. Since there is already a user, let me create the name Alice1. User created. This means that the user Bob has got admin permission to create user, drop user, create table and drop table. Let us do some more tasks. List all the tables in the database and list all the users in the database and log out from current user and log in as Bob. We have already done this task. List all the tables in the database. Select username from the DBA users. This shows the users. As we can see, we have created Alice, Alice1 and Bob. List all the tables in the database. Select Now let me log in from current user and log out and log in as another user. Now the user is show user Bob. Now let me connect as another user. Let me switch to the system itself. Password. So I have switched to the system user now. Let me check the user and the system administrator now. That's all for now. Thank you.